Now, Mr. Conductor, your train runs too slow. I paid for my ticket. I'm ready to go. If you be my buddy, I'll be your friend. And I'll ride the special right to the end. Look at me, conductor, I say. If you can, tell me, what kind of man do you think I am? Well, I'm the devil and I'll tell you why. I just made another good woman cry. Oh no, tears like rain. Linda's got the blues again. Oh no, tears like rain. Linda's got the blues again. Well, I ride the special, I ride it in style. A dark-eyed lady sits across the aisle. As she looks at me, I don't look back. I just hear the whistling wheels on the track. Oh no, tears like rain. Linda's got the blues again. Oh no, tears like rain. Linda's got the blues again. Oh no, 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 tears like rain. Linda's got the blues again. Oh no, 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 no. Linda's got the blues again. Mr. Conductor, your train runs too slow. I paid for my ticket. I'm ready to go.